Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, the member of this House, honorable adjudicators, and fellow debaters. Thank you for the opportunity that has given to us. Today, we are going to deliver you our speech. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Maliq Farraz, and I am standing here as the first speaker of the affirmative team under the motion. This House would support criminalized individuals and organizations who do not recycle. Now I, as the first speaker, will deliver two fundamental arguments on why we should support this motion. Meanwhile, my second speaker will deliver two more practical arguments to support our case. And lastly, my third speaker will deliver clash point of the debate. Before getting into my arguments, ladies and gents, first let me contextualize the motion that has been given. Our Earth is currently experiencing global warming. This usually happens because of the large amount of waste left behind from factories, even the items we usually use every day. One example of the cause global warming is plastic waste. Long-term use and exposure to plastic and products. Plastic's high temperature can cause leaching of toxic chemical constituents into food, beverages, and water. Indiscriminate disposal of plastic on land. To prevent this from happening, we must recycle our waste. Recycling is a process of collecting and processing materials that would otherwise be thrown away as trash and turning them into a new products. People who don't recycle usually only worsen the global warming situation that our Earth is facing. Therefore, here are some reasons why this House would support criminalized individuals and organizations who do not recycle. My first argument is recycling is a way to prevent damage to the earth. The first and foremost reason we are supporting this motion is recycle is the easiest and cheapest way to prevent global warming. New scientific studies have shown that plastic is responsible for almost 4% of world's total greenhouse gas emissions. That is twice as carbon emissions than the aviation industry produces. Plastic is, therefore, a major contributor to the global warming. In addition to that, recycling offers an important environmental benefit, some of which is reduces emission of greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and chlorofluorocarbons that contribute to, that contribute to global climate change. To conclude my first argument, recycling is a way to prevent the global warming. If we support criminalizing individuals and organizations who do not recycle, that means more people will recycle their waste and it will help prevent the global warming. My second argument is that it is the way for us to punish individuals and organizations that don't recycle. If a lot of people don't recycle their waste, then as I said from the first argument, it will only add more damage to the earth. A lot of people and factories don't recycle, and most of the people can escape without getting punished. It will only harm our environment. Industrial waste can also be toxic or hazardous. If not managed properly, this type of industrial waste can cause harm to humans, animals, and the environmental by contaminating waterways such as rivers and lakes. So, if we criminalize individuals and organizations who do not recycle, this will be a way for them to get punished and also deter other people so that many people recycle their own waste. Thus, to conclude my speech, ladies and gents, it is clear that we should strongly support this motion considering the argument I have previously elaborated, and therefore we we are proud to support this motion.